Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can change our old number to new number on our WhatsApp. So, coming to WhatsApp home page, we will have three dots on our top right corner on WhatsApp home page. Clicking on those three dots will allow you with settings option. Just click on that settings option. You will have an option to select account. So upon selecting account, we'll have several options. One of the option is change number. Just click on that one. Will give you an option to select with next. Click on that next. Then we will have options to enter our old number followed by the new number. So first we have to give the old number so that we'll get a message on our new number. Then so entering both these numbers, click on the next. On the second number, whichever the new number we have given, on that one we'll get a message, so that upon entering that message the number will be changed. So I will show you one more time. Come to home page, click on the three dots, settings, then account. Then clicking on account, you have to click change number. So clicking on change number, next old number we have to give here and new number on the second time. That's all. So simple to change the number on WhatsApp. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.